tugboat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat. And the star tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is Tugs. Sometimes a real bad character sailed into Big City Port, but on the day I'm remembering, no one suspected trouble. We were worrying about the high winds coming. Tug work would be difficult. 10 cents. A great dawn, eh? Yeah, don't be fooled by appearances, sunshine. You know what Captain Star says? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in morning, sailor's warning. Oh, it's bad weather coming then. Yeah, strong winds. They'll be here soon. Get a move on, you two. The storm flags are out. Aye, OJ, we know. We're just saying, well, then get on with it. Hercules is already out answering a mayday. When you deliver that oil, bring in Scuttlebutt Pete. He's dredging at the bay. Aye, sir. Yeah, we're off now. There'll be some extra jobs to do to batten down before the storm hits the harbor. Come on, sunshine. No time for daydreaming. Now hold it. Good morning, Zebedee. What's good about it? High winds on the way. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work to do today. Oh, hey, what's he doing? He's cut right across us. Yeah, I would. Just when we're in a hurry. Oi, come on. Oi, come on. Hey, look how many he's towing. Yeah, 4. He likes to show how strong he is as any Z-stack tug. Oh, look, he's losing one. Oh, you better tell him. He hasn't seen him. Yeah, I suppose we should. Oh, Zebedee! I'm first. It's my right in the way. You'll have to wait. Yeah, you've lost one of your barges. It's gonna drift. You have me on. Yeah, don't worry. I'll hold it down till you secure it. Don't interfere. I can manage. Alright, suit yourself. Just offering to be helpful, that's all. We don't need anything star tugs have to offer. Do it your own way then. Wait, can you hold it for me? Later, Zebedee joined the other Zero Tugs at the Zero Marine briefing. This storm means salvage alert. Take advantage of distress calls. Up go our tow prices, eh? You got the design? Oh yes, and another thing. An old friend of mine is paying Big City Port a visit. It's Johnny Cuba. I don't want to hear anything about any of you dealing with him. If you bump into him, say I'm not at home, okay? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Out at Danger Rock's Lily Lightship just got a fuel delivery from 10 Cents and Sunshine. It's great to come out and see you, Lily. Thanks, Sunshine. It's always nice to have company. Speaking of company, he doesn't seem social. I wonder what he's up to. Maybe he needs to get towed into port. You can try. I'll stay here and tie the barge to Lily. Oh my god, scream, son. Just checking if you need a tow. Well, go, I don't need a tow. But there's a storm coming up. It might need shelter. Look, kid, if I need a tow, I'll make sure you're the first to know. Now scram! Sunshine quickly moved away from Johnny Cuba, not knowing that his visit to the tramper was seen by the watchful customs launch hidden behind Dendra rocks. Later, 10 Cents and Sunshine made their way to the harbor mouth, but the Coast Guard caught up with them. Off there, 10 Cents and Sunshine. Good morning, officer. What's up? Sunshine, I would like to know what your business is with Johnny Cuba. Johnny Cuba? The tramp steamer you were talking to? Oh, that's Johnny Cuba. I only asked him if he needed a tow. He wasn't very friendly. He told me to scram. Is Cuba in trouble? Johnny Cuba not in trouble? Heh. Johnny's always in trouble. He could be on one of his smuggling runs into Big City Port. Officer, Star Tugs don't deal with that kind of stuff. I'm just checking, okay? It's something that might be useful for us. Why don't you arrest him then? I can't. I have nothing against him. I don't have anything definite on him. I can't even search him because he's outside the harbor mouth. I've been out there watching him since 3 o'clock yesterday. I should get back to it. As the Coast Guard moved away, OJ came up to 10 Cents and Sunshine. You two, Scuttlebutt Pete is done dredging. Go pick him up and take him home. On my way, sir. Yeah, on my way, sir. Nobody in sight. That's what I'd like. Time to slip closer to port and meet my business pals. Johnny Cuba's idea of business pals was, just like himself, a gangster. Hi there, Health 2, Customs Inspection. You're within port limits, I'm coming aboard. Hey, watch out, what you doing? Be careful, ow, sorry mate, the wind must have blown me off course. In the safety of the harbor, Warrior was towing Sally's seaplane back to her hangar. The wind was too strong for her to make it back on her own, and one of her engines had already been damaged when she tried to fly back. And I was trying to fly back to the hangar. I saw Hercules towing the Princess Alice. I think she's damaged. Sulfur Stokes, once I get you towed into your hangar, I better go tow the others. Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero. Johnny Cuba, dear. Well, it's Zero's little Zebby. Hello, Johnny, Mr. Cuba. Good day, I see ya. Listen, do something for me. Just slip me into the harbor so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see ya, alright? I love to, Mr. Cuba, sir. But I see Captain Zero. No, but Zebedee, I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry. It's upsetting my plan. Sorry, sir, but you see, Captain Zero and I gave me a listen, kid. Zero owes me, understands? So don't try anything funny. The gangster told Zebedee to tow him into the old quarry that hasn't been used for years, where he arranged to meet his criminal friends. I don't like it here. I don't like it here, and it's out of bounds to shipping. Too bad. Now I need coal right away, and be quick about it or I'll break your stack. Do you mean steal it? Did I say steal? Just get it when nobody's looking. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. And don't try anything fancy, or you'll find yourself on the bottom of the harbor with cement in your house. Oh, Zebedee was now in a terrible situation. Johnny would sink him if he didn't help him. And because of something that happened many years ago between the two, he knew Captain Zero would sink him if he did. So he couldn't just tell the captain, could he? While Zebedee was trying to work this out, he saw the two star switchers out in the bay struggling with Scuttlebutt Pete. Oh, come on, you two, get sorted out. I need to get home before the storm breaks. We cannot hold you, man. We're doing our best. Do better than that, you got to. I can't. The wind's too strong, though. What are we gonna do? If only I could fix one more line. Oi, Zebedee, give us a hand. Sorry, can't stop. Important jobs to do. Just hold him steady while I fix another line aboard, that's all. Why should I? Zoran, kill me. Because we're in trouble, that's why. And you owe us one for the barges. Alright, just this once, but don't tell Captain Zero. Aye, thanks, Zebedee. Aye, that's just what we needed. And not a word, Scuttlebutt. Me, I never gossip. Never. That'll be the day. If Zero knows I helped Starfleet, I'm lost. We're all square then. Yeah, quits, yeah. Checking all the times that no one was watching him, Zebby kept a lookout for the code for Johnny Cuba. If I could slip this one barge away to keep Johnny quiet, I'll worry about Captain Zero later. That's odd. I thought I was the one. That's odd. I thought I was the only one stuck with cold deliveries. I wonder what he's up to. I better check with Captain Star. Maybe he will know something about this. Maybe. I brought your coat, Mr. Cuba, sir. Yeah, you're okay, Zebby. I'll put in a good word with you with Zero. What? No, please don't, Mr. Cuba. I mean, it's as bad books as it is. I mean, you mean he wouldn't like you helping me, eh? That's it? No, no. He sent me out here to get the wind's causing trouble, you know, and you can go, mate. As long as you're back here tonight, okay? No worries. Yeah, whatever you say. No worries, Mr. Cuba, sir.
Hey, Big Mac. I just heard from Shelly Seaplane that Hercules has the Princess Alice in tow.
Oh, sounds serious.
Yeah, she's been damaged at sea.
Not another one of your disasters for ya.
Not me, honest.
I was joking. Come on, we'll go tell OJ, then go bring her in.
Yeah, anything to help Princess Alice.
Out in the estuary, Zebby was trying yet again to carry out Captain Zero's orders. Help! What? Who's that? Help! Out here! Oh no, the Coast Guard. It wasn't his lucky day. Zebby had nothing on his deck as is, but he couldn't just ignore someone in trouble. Never thought I would be glad to see you, Zebby. What? Oh, how did the Coast Guard get in this mess? Johnny Cuba pushed me into the rocks. My engine's dead. I need a tow. Johnny who? Don't play dumb with me. I heard Zero and Johnny are good friends. Oh, not anymore. Captain Zero, see, so you do know who he is. Oh, yeah, oh, no, I just came out here to see if ships might need a tow, you know, with that all salvage is what you're after. Well, I guess you would get something if you bring me into port, I'm sure. You need repairs, I'll take it to Lucky's yard. Hi, Zebedee. Big Mac for ya. Good day to you, too. Coast Guard. Nothing serious, I hope. Chasing a crook and getting salvaged by a crook, that's all. You'll survive it. My guess is you taking that gangster somewhere. Zebby, come on, own up. Where? All I did was bring him past the harbor part. I said I had to let him go because I work to do. Where he went after that, I don't know. I have a good mind to run you in for questioning. You'll wait until Captain Zero hears about this. He won't like it. You know that. I do. Some things I get for rescuing you. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be out there answering distress calls. Sorry, I'll tell you where you've been. You've been helping those star switchers, you creep. Like to be a goody-goody star tug, would you? Hey, I haven't finished yet. Zebedee, come back. Ugh, stars are docking Princess Alice. Yeah, docking a liner can be dangerous for tugs, especially with cross currents and the danger of the high winds. Usually, the liner can assist, but the Princess Alice couldn't do much due to the damage to her rudder. All their expertise and experience, the Star Tugs team were finding it very trouble to keep there under control. What's happening back there, Stars? Come on! She's not responding, Hercules. The wind's too strong. I can't hold her much longer.
Full power, everyone. I'm pouring steam. I can't do no more.
We need another tug. Just one more will do it. Sorry, I can't help. I mean, in case of fire. Come on, lads, hold it. Oh, look out, I'm in trouble. Come on, somebody. We're losing it. We'll crash between ship and quayside. This is to you only, switchers. Ah, Zebedee, thank you very much. Just in time, you're a lifesaver. Thank you, Zebedee. She's under control again.
Got her, OJ.
Hey, thanks, Zebedee. Yeah. I'll have my boy for this. Hey, thank you, Zebedee. Thank you, Zebedee. Thanks, Zebedee. Thanks, Zebedee. Zebedee gone soft in the head or something? The idiot. Soren couldn't understand Zebedee. The Z-Stacks were out to beat the stars, not to help them beat the Z-Stacks. Hello, Mr. Cuba, sir. Well, it's Zebby back again. Keep doing what Johnny Cuba tells ya, and it'll come out no harm. You with me? Yes, Mr. Cuba, sir. The wind stopped right. There's a few other little things I want you to do before we go. Now listen, what's this? Oh, it's Hercules. Hello, what seems to be going on here? Oh, yes, Zebedee, what are you taking our friend, the well-known Johnny Cuba, eh? Well, what's it to you, Star? We know you, Johnny Cuba, up to no good. We'll hand him over to the authorities, Zebedee. They might want to have a word with him. No, you don't. Wait a minute. The gangster tried to back up but collided with Zebedee. You're not going to anywhere. Well done, Zebedee, my dear. The authorities will be happy. Come on, let's take him in. I'll break your stack for this one. They can't hold Johnny Cuba. Back at the Zero Marine briefing, Zebedee hung his head as Captain Zero scolded him for helping the Starfleet with the Princess Alice. The others said stacks were troubled, though. Look at this disappointment I have for a fleet. No salvage, no extra fees. Get out of my sight, all of you! As the Z-Stack started their engines to leave, the Coast Guard came up to talk to Zero. Oh, there, Zero. A word with you about Johnny Cuba. I have nothing to do with him. I told my tugs to stay well away. But one of them didn't. Zebedee. What? Look, officer, I'm clean. Whatever Zebedee did, he did against my orders. Zebedee, hold it, Zero. If it wasn't for him, you would have some explaining to do. Hercules and Zebedee took Johnny Cuba in. Because of his help, we assumed you had nothing to do with Cuba. I just came back to tell you and to thank him. Well, I was about to say how much of a credit he is to my fleet. Wasn't I, Tugs? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're always here to help if you need us. Anytime. Thanks. Thanks, Mr. Zero. And thank you, Zebedee. As the Coast Guard moved across the harbor, Zebedee followed. The authorities gave a official thank to Zebedee and Hercules. As 10 Cents and Sunshine set out on their last job of the day, the wind dropped completely. Hey, you think that storm never happened, eh? So lovely even now, bud. Yeah, oh look who's here. The Z Stack Zero. Yeah, Zebedee, congratulations. Yeah, not bad, was it? Nah, you were great. Captain Zero's over the moon now that Johnny can't get back at him. Yeah, thanks for helping us with Scuttlebutt, Pete. Forget about that, would you? Captain Zero, wouldn't be pleased. Dear. No, those aren't either. Yeah, we won't do anything, kidda. You better not. I had enough troubles today. Well, see ya, fellas. Yeah, Zebby, if you ever think about leaving the Z stacks. What? Are you crazy? Today was today, okay? Yeah, well, just thought. You think too much. After that day, things continued much as they were, but Zebby showed that everyone must have a good shriek in them somewhere. Tja, even in Z stacks. The authorities gave a official thanks to Zebedee and Hercules. As 10 Cents and Hercules may... Did I just say 10 Cents and Hercules? That's a blooper I'm going to put at the end of the video. Just to make sure, Zebedee... Did I say Zebedee?